Welcome in. I am the Crypto Bull God, and in today's video is GALA set to go galactic. We will discuss. If you appreciate the content, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for notifications, drop me a comment. You can find me on Twitter, you can find me on YouTube, TradingView, and even Instagram. One word, at Crypto Bull God. Just a quick disclosure that none of what I'm sharing is financial advice. I'm simply looking to educate and to help others. We're all big boys and big girls, and so you can make your own personal financial decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. All right, the first chart that we're going to take a look at, this is GALA on the 3-day. This is a great example of when TA doesn't work. What some people have a hard time distinguishing is that value-added technicians, hopefully you regard me as one, what we're all talking about when we evaluate this data and share the information with you is we are ascertaining probabilities, the most and least likely direction for price. There are no certainties in life. There are no certainties in charting. Okay, so in this case, what do we have on the 3-day? We have a falling wedge. We have bullish divergence in the RSI. You can see price falling, RSI increasing. Well, look at the RSI. We plummeted, and price plummeted 50% out of this falling wedge. The most likely direction for price did not play out in this case, right? But it did present a massive buying opportunity, because what this ultimately panned out to be was a fake out. Let's go to the weekly. You can see we plummeted all the way down here to basically 1.5 cents, 1.7 cents. Okay, and then we have this descending line of resistance here. You can see the red circles that we just can't get above it. We just broke above it. That is very, very, very bullish. So let's talk about what we want to see next. You can see that anytime I chart here, I have green areas that show areas of support. Red areas are areas of resistance. So you can see to the upside, I would expect 5 cents, 7.2 cents, and 12 cents to be areas of resistance. Now, when we started breaking above 30 cents, and I saw us above this line of support here, and I saw massive volume coming in, if you follow me on Twitter at Crypto Bull God, you will have seen that we were in the 3-cent area. I said, hey guys, this thing could shoot all the way up to 5 to 7 cents. How did I come up with that? I just looked back and looked for price confluence on the chart and said 5 to 7 cents used to provide an area of support. It then will provide an area of resistance once it's broken down below. So it is not coincidental that we went all the way up to 5.1, 5.2 cents, and we have since retraced down to 4 cents. So now the question that you should be asking yourself is, okay, we've had this bullish move up. What can we expect moving forward? You know, I want to increase my position in GALA. I want to establish a position in GALA. What should I do? Should I buy in to the massive green candles going up? No, you should not. Because again, while there are no certainties, the worst thing you can do is FOMO in. You have to accept in this case that you missed a large move to the upside. Now what you need to do is you need to exercise patience, and you need to ask yourself the question, okay, where is a logical area that price could come down to? Well, if you've been following my content for a while, whether it's on YouTube or Twitter, you know that when we break these areas of descending resistance, we oftentimes like to come back and back test it as support and continue up if price is bullish, right? So that would tell us that it is very possible, and it would be very bullish and healthy if price would come all the way back down here. Now, what the price level could be at that point depends on timing, because this is a descending area of prior resistance, which should now act as support. But the other thing we can look at, and this is the price level what was this signal here? I don't know what that was. This is the area of price confluence that I would be looking for to increase my personal position size for GALA, and that is 3 to 3.2 cents. So you can see right in this area here, we have a lot of price confluence. This is the zone I'm looking for to hold, to remain bullish, and then to continue up. Now, what are the arrows showing here? Well, the arrows are showing the basic building blocks of a bullish narrative. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know this is something I repeat time and time again on videos, okay? We want higher highs, higher lows. So I am roughly projecting out here what I'd like to see. It would be very healthy for price to come all the way back down to this 3-cent area and then resume up towards perhaps 12 cents and come back, get a back test of maybe 5 cents or 7.1 or 2 cents, and then continue up. That would be my rough expectation for price moving forward if price is to remain bullish, okay? But again, if you are looking to establish a position or increase your position size, I would exercise patience because more than likely, and price indicators are also suggesting this, we're a little overheated right now. Okay, we want price to pull back. Now, again, price could shoot up to 20 cents tomorrow. There's a probability for that, but it's a lot less likely, and it's a lot more likely that price is going to healthily consolidate and come back to lower levels to form this area right in here that was prior support and broke and should act as resistance. It should back test it, form it as support, and continue moving up if it's a healthy bullish trend reversal, which I personally believe it to be. If you appreciate the content, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon for notification, and until next time, as always, spread awareness and carry the education forward.
So what you gonna do, fiat dollar, on crypto bull god and his crypto maniacs and the entire cryptocurrency?